Hey guys, Josh here, founder of Summit Grow Labs. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. Just going to introduce myself today and show you what we have going on. Now, there's going to be other videos that get real in depth on what makes Summit Grow Labs so special. But today we're not going to do that. We're just going to focus on an introduction to our Grow Journal that we'll update weekly. But we will just tell you real quick that the Summit Grow Labs is the newest, most technology advanced grow lab that's out there. What we've got is a very unique system that's looked at, what it is that stops people from growing indoors, and we've addressed those issues. We've created a completely enclosed system that's extremely energy efficient, extremely quiet, and controls all of the odor that you might get from normal gardening that people don't always like smelling up their house. And so we'll talk about each one of those components later on, but I do want to show you our first grow that we have going on here. And you can follow along. Like I said, we're going to update that once a week. We are going to have intermediate updates on the product and talk about it. Now, the product will not be coming out until February 1st. It is something that you'll have to follow along with us. We'll tell you how that's coming out. And but we definitely encourage you to hold on and wait if you're thinking about indoor gardening. Because it is our product is very unique, and it is going to change things in the industry. So let me just show you what we have growing right now. We've got all sorts of greens, and right now our light, which is a hybrid LED light, is just on veg mode, and this whole unit right now is running at about less than 100 watts actually. So you picture those old light bulbs we used to use, it's about one of those. And that includes the fan, the light, and actually this entire system is running right now. So this is as loud as it's going to get. We have got all sorts of lettuces. We've got standard lettuce, we've got kale, we've got rainbow chard, we've got pot of gold chard, we've got spinach, we've got jalapenos, we've got herbs, we've got strawberries, cilantro, tomatoes, a little bit of everything. Now, a majority, other than this plant and that plant, were planted just 5 days ago. So you can see in these 5 days how far these have already gotten. Very quick yielding, and that's due to the light spectrum that we've designed here. Actually, I will show you the light quick, because this is not the light that's going to be in this one. This is the Kilimanjaro. This is our medium-sized grow lab. This is actually going to be in our Mount Vinson grow lab. It's just a 200 watt. What's going to be in here is a 400 watt, which is twice this size. And but we are doing some spectrum updates on that to really improve the bloom spectrum. And that's what's cool about this is not just a grow lab that's set up to just grow greens. It's set up to grow whatever you want. I mean, anything that flowers too, whether it's a house plant, orchids, herbs, literally anything. Tomatoes, you can grow anything in this and get enough that you'd normally get out of a little plot of garden. So thank you guys for joining us. There's a lot more to come, but we just wanted to introduce ourselves and show you what we have going on right now so that you don't miss anything. And we'll be talking to you soon. Remember, grow smart, grow safe, simply grow. Thanks, guys.